Alright, hello and welcome to this daily recap. Today is August the 17th, and I just want to go over the trades that we took. Uh, there was a lot of stocks on the watch list. The market overall, as you can see right here, I'll just go over to the SPY, straight garbage. Look at this, up, down, up, down, up, down. Just your eyes are hurting looking at this. The Qs actually did a very nice steady move, so stocks are part of the Qs, they probably moved good. But nonetheless, we traded two stocks today, XPEV, and we traded NIO over here. We had Billy on the watch list, a lot of volume in pre-market, good pre-market action for Billy, but when the market opened, it just fell along with the SPY. It just fell along with the SPY and didn't do any movements. And then we got some other stocks here. CVS probably could have been an okay move. Walmart, garbage. AMD, my boy AMD, always makes a move out here. But we didn't trade AMD today. We have to try and move away from that as it's a higher price stock, and I think I should stick to cheaper price stocks. But so we traded XPEV and NIO, and we had a nice, beautiful pre-market range. And when I see this, I already know which strategy that we're using, and it's the pre-market break and retest. So as you see here, as the market opened, it broke down to the downside. I'll just zoom out here. It broke out to the downside, and then it pulled back here. And on this pullback, we got in, no hesitation. We got in, was holding under the 9 EMA. We got in, and then boom, we just rode this puppy all the way down here. And we rode it to the levels, partialed in, partialed out, and then all that good stuff. And then eventually I got kicked out here for a full position as I added back in on this break down here. We got our hit where I wanted to get to 1150. We had a nice bid down there at 1150s with about like 15,000 or 50,000 shares, who even knows. So we got to hit that, and then I took out a nice partial here, and then another partial as it was pulling back, and then we got eventually stopped out here for break even. And then as you see, it actually did a nice VWAP false breakout right after. It broke above VWAP, and then right after it collapsed, couldn't establish a trend above, just collapsed. Next candle right about here, this candle right here would have been a good entry and catch it to the downside back to that low, and who knows, maybe even a low of day or just a bounce back up. But that's what we did on NIO. On XPEV, likewise, same thing. These EVs stocks, Chinese stocks, EVs, whatever they are, they had a nice range. So again, we did the same nice test, the nice strategy of the break and retest. It broke down, pulled back, held the level in VWAP, and we got in. Rode it down, partialed out nicely, added back in, partialed out with R4. We took out a partial as it pulled back higher, and then we had a nice stop above VWAP or break even above VWAP at this time. And then when it came close to VWAP here and then started rejecting it, we actually added back in. And it held below this key daily level, this black line, which is, let's see here, yesterday's high. It held below it, we added back in, and then we just partialed, and then I fully got out of this position. I wanted to get out, hold it to 50 and 95, but again, it was like literally 3 cents, so I was like, forget it. Just closed the whole position, and we got out today for a profit of 153.61 US, and then after commissions and conversion, we're up 168 Canadian on the day. So very good overall trading day, catching two good moves on NIO and XPEV with our pre-market break and retest trading strategy, which is probably my favorite one to do. And then after that, it would be this VWAP false breakout. But I didn't take it. I just wanted to call it a day as we're still starting out and take it slow. So yeah, that is the recap for today. If you guys had any questions, definitely let me know below, and hope you guys have yourselves a wonderful day.